want to do you know? New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Yes, sir, people, big up on yourself. Big up. Don't do the thing on New Link day and the night. No, see, plenty of people have New Link a long time. We don't see it at the night. Well, people, but day and the night, you know, money. I understand I do a local thing, you know, because that's what we really need to talk about. You get me? Because plenty of people have New Link. You need to talk about this thing a long time, and you don't say nothing about it. We don't know New Link doing thing. Me always get things sometime I look at time before me analyze it and before me really deal with it. So right now, people, I'm going to deal with this thing and I'm going to talk about it. Well, this is about the lady now. In a downtown, we find the bag of money in the ATM. Whole heap of money, plenty money. You understand? Because them so when I bag them, I be a 5,000 bill in there and a Kyle in a people that stick up. And one of them a be a 1,000 bill in there and a Kyle that stick up. Well, people, you know, the money that could have changed our life. Could have been them big house the uptown. Or you mean, could have been put 3 of them big bus step on the road. Or you mean, not joke things, she could have do it. Well, people, plenty of people say New Link. The lady they are idiot. She a fool. She not no sense. You a New Link, son. The lady they smart. She an idiot. She full of sense. Cause you go on now, people. On a real level, see? About this lady now. She's a mother of 2. You get me? I say 1 2-year-old and one where they say almost 6 or 7. Yeah. 2 boys. You get me? And them say she got the ATM for draw look of money. So she unemployed at the moment, you get me? And when she go in the ATM, she draw the money because her look of son, they done a ground, they say they look one. So she look down upon him. When she look down, she said look at you with a lot of Kyle in her hand. In her hand. You get me? I say sorry. With a Kyle in her hand. So you must say, brought it away. When she look in her bag, people she say a bag of money. Whole heap of money. But the lady call in and give up the money. She never take the money and run away. No, she not do like what some people, me know they do. They not take the money and run away. No, she never do that, people. She take it, you know what I mean? She give up the money. And plenty of people do her up, while some people acknowledge her like they bigger heads them. Yeah, real people them acknowledge her and say, yo, a real thing she do, she's an honest lady and thing. While some people, low mind people are gonna say, yo, she a idiot and she a fool. You get me? I say, but she not this the body still the boy does a truth. See me? Because I end people. When she gonna take that? That don't make no sense. I be a camera there, so. You see me? So me not, me would tell her to take their money there. You know what I mean? Maybe their money there have some number, some serial number upon them where they can track and chase, and it doesn't make no sense to take the money there, people. Me I be honest here. You understand? In the end, she's not a thief, she's an honest person. When I check out that, if she's honest, she gonna give up the money. If she's a thief, she gonna take the money, and she's an honest lady, so she give up the money. Which are the real thing. Well, people, no people say she a fool because she never get nothing. But you are going down. Sad news for Udo. Because today, like what killer that say, hungry, cross, miserable. But you want me to say, today people, Ray and nephew, you understand that a real nephew deal them white room thing? They grant this lady, they give her 1.2 million Jamaican dollar for your honesty. Big up yourself, my lady. Congratulations! Yeah, people, she get 1.2 million dollars. So they must say, alright then, $1 million. You understand? Okay, them tell her how to use it, you know what I mean? Them say $1 million for help with education, for she want to go to school and for her 2 youth. Them which is good, you know what I mean? That's really good. You get me? I say, and them say $100,000 now for deal with, you know what I mean, food supplies, like for buy food for the house and them thing, and so the next 100,000 because she say she did her fridge there work so good, so them say the next 100,000 for buy a local fridge and can deal with then look at that thing what them need for dealing in the house and thing. You know what I mean? Which is good. I'm really happy for that. And Nestle again sponsor this lady 1 year worth of supply. You know what I mean? For the 2 kids them. 1 year worth of supply for the 2 kids. It's a real thing, people. She's honest, her honesty carry her through, and that is good. More than she did go take their money and now she end up got prison, left her 2 youth them out there now. Maybe their father need not take care of them, and they know me gonna say that. You see, if your father, if you take care of them, big up yourself, brother. Me not give no attack. I want to them, me a cool one on that. See, so me just big up the lady and I say, yo, you're a very smart lady, very ambitious lady, and I respect you for that. See, because me fall into things like this already, you know, people. Me find all heap of money and give it up already, you know. And if me did, maybe if me didn't give up their money there, me daddy at prison. or me that lose my job at the time. I'm you the day so right now I talk to you. You get me as the people. So in the end, sometime man, your honesty is really good enough. And the lady there, me know more things are gonna come over here. More blessings are gonna come your way. Remember that other people are gonna see what Rihanna never do and see what Nestor do, and them are gonna fall on board because he's an honest lady. And you imagine people, she not work, you know, she have her 2 weeks, them she could take money and say she gonna try something, but she not do it. Zane. So in the end, people, me not attack her. Me I say she's a smart lady, she's a great lady, and what she do, she deserves everything for a New Link. Mama, big up yourself 1,000,000, 100,000, 1,000, trillion time. And New Link gonna give you the good attack, you know. Me not give you the bad attack. You get the great attack and the peace and love attack, you know. You know what I mean? But people, you don't know a thing, man. So I just thought we come to talk about and deal the thing on a real level. And big up to every one of my fans them in Miami. Whole of Florida, big up on the second. New Link soon a large all the while now, thing, you know. So whole of Florida, big up, see me as in. And people remember for the summer, New Link tour officially for the Caribbean. You get me? I say, yeah man, we have some countries that the Caribbean, so bookings line. Who up for New Link? Special appearances, MC. You get me? I say, event was the baddest thing there, New Link and the whole team. You see me? So you can book team New Link. You don't know, so everything in the description. So, if you contact New Link, you don't know. Certain countries in the Caribbean make you go touch. You see me? Like Cayman now, we don't take bookings to Cayman, and you know what I mean? I just say go St. Thomas and them places. St. Kitts now, we don't take bookings like Trinidad, Bahamas, Guyana, Grenada, you know what I mean? Plenty of them countries, man. New Link booking line open for them places. So when you're ready, you can book New Link and the whole team, artists, DJ, and everybody ready for the summer. So people, you don't know a thing, man. This is New Link from New Link Production. And me say what? Attack. My lady, big up yourself. 1,000,000, 100,000, how much time again. But people, New Link love like how Jesus love little children. I love like how me love cook food. Big up on yourself. Me gone tomorrow, me soon. Enough love. Good night. Me gone.
What them a go do ya now? New Link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New Link.